this one. If you would like to check them out, if you're interested, all the links for them will be down.
Okay, this last one is going to be my Hobonichi order from Atlas Stationers because I put in 2 orders. The first one I already showed from Hobonichi directly, but since the site was crashing, I wanted to just make sure I got what I wanted. So I put my original order on Atlas Stationers, and let's see here. Oh my gosh, I already see it. So this is the A5 cover that is going to go on the Sterling Ink Daily A5, which she hasn't released that yet as of today, but that's what this is for. And then the only color I think I saw was the tweed color. So I didn't even do it on purpose, but it's going to match that. So yeah, I love this. This is super pretty. I love the black. Let me take it out of here. And then I also have, from I think last year, I ordered like a clear cover on cover that I didn't end up using because I didn't have, like, I just wanted a clear cover, not a cover on cover. But I didn't know that there was a difference for the cover on covers. They're so confusing sometimes, but this one actually goes like on top of that. So, and that the cousin, I'm assuming the cousin fits in here too. I mean, I'll try that, but I wanted this for the Sterling Ink one, which I'll have to try when I get it. Oh, this is the cardboard in there. Oh my gosh, yeah, I love it. It's all black. It's like a little shiny material. Love it. Super cute. Okay, so that'll go in there. And then I got an A5 pencil board from Yumi. I got an A5 pencil board from Yumi Kitagishi. I think that was the right pronunciation of it. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love that. So pretty. It's like a tea party. Like the animals are having like a tea party. Like this kind of reminds me of like Alice in Wonderland a little bit. I love Alice in Wonderland. I just watched it recently, actually. Okay. And then, let's see. Oh, these stickers are so fun. Actually, they're not stickers. They're like sticky notes in these little fun designs. So I haven't bought sticky notes in a really long time. I feel like the last time I bought sticky notes was like from Cloth and Paper, maybe, which has been years. So yeah, these are more decorative. I don't know that you can really write on them, but they're gonna look so cute. So they're not actually stickers. They're just like a little kind of like post-it notes a little bit. Oh, love them. They're so cute, and it matches that one. And then I got a couple more pencil boards because, couldn't help myself. I have a few, but this one was so cute. And I feel like the red was going to match my weeks the best. This one, just because it has pink on it, pink and yellow. I like these colors. These are from Ansodo. I love the art on that one. Okay, so that's that. And then the cover for my weeks. And this is the weeks that I got. Oh my gosh, here we go. I'm so excited for this right here. I don't think I've ever gotten one that came in this package. I'm going to keep this. So well. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Comes with a little. Oh wow, that is absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah, I'm obsessed. And it does say 2025 embossed there. Yeah, you can see it. And it's gold foiling, it looks like right here. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, yep, love it. And it's just a regular week, they didn't have this color in the Mega, but I don't think I'm going to need the Mega. If I use it for the intent and purposes that I'm thinking, unless it becomes my main planner, because wow, that is so pretty. So now I wasn't sure what the color difference was going to be between these two. Yeah, this is definitely more like a wine color. And the color, what is the color she calls this one? Oh, this is pomegranate. I know this color right here is pomegranate, but the sterling ink one, let me see. I can't remember what the name was for the sterling ink. Did it not have a little? Oh, let's see. Yes, it does. Oh, okay. So this one is mulberry. This is the color mulberry, sterling ink one, and this is pomegranate. The one from Hobonichi. Okay, so my intent was to have these two. And then with this, okay, so let's make this a vibe right now. Move all the things out the way. and make the vibe that I had in my head. So that's the pencil board I wanted. And then now I don't have covers for these yet. So we'll have to look at some covers, but I wanted this for this for the weeks. So that'll go wrapped around there. Like this. This is my vibe. Now granted, there's still a few items that I'm waiting for, but yeah, this is my 2025 vibe. Actually, it's pretty fall too, but you know, these we can't use these until next year, but obsessed.